Dear students, now we are discussing about the properties of triangles. In properties of triangles, sine rule in triangle ABC, A by sin A is equal to B by sin B is equal to C by sin C is equal to 2R. Cosine rule in triangle ABC, A square is equal to B square plus C square minus 2BC cos A, B square is equal to A square plus C square minus 2AC cos B, C square is equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB cos C. Tangent rule or Napier's rule in triangle ABC, tan of A minus B by 2 is equal to A minus B by A plus B cot C by 2. Tan of B minus C by 2 is equal to B minus C by B plus C cot A by 2. Tan of C minus A by 2 is equal to C minus A by C plus A cot B by 2. Projection rule in triangle ABC, A is equal to B cos C plus C cos B, B is equal to A cos C plus C cos A, C is equal to A cos B plus B cos A. In triangle ABC, A plus B by C is equal to cos of A minus B by 2 by sin C by 2. B plus C by A is equal to cos of B minus C by 2 by sin A by 2. C plus A by B is equal to cos C minus A by 2 by sin B by 2. These are the formulas in triangle ABC in properties of triangles. Dear students, here half angle formulae and area of triangle. Half angle formulae and area of triangle. Area of triangle delta is equal to half B into H. B is nothing but a base of triangle. H is nothing but a height of the triangle. In triangle ABC, delta is equal to root over S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. This is area of the triangle. Heron's formula. 2S is equal to what? A plus B plus C implies S is equal to what? Half of the perimeter A plus B plus C by 2. Sin A by 2 is equal to root over S minus B into S minus C by BC. Sin B by 2 is equal to root over S minus A into S minus C by AC. Sin C by 2 is equal to root over S minus A, S minus B by AB. Cos A by 2 is equal to what? Root over S into S minus A by BC. Cos B by 2 is equal to root over S into S minus B by AC. Cos C by 2 is equal to root over S into S minus C by AB. Tan A by 2 is equal to sin A by 2 by cos A by 2. Root over S minus B into S minus C by BC. Root over S into S minus A by BC. Root BC, denominators cancel. Now we have root over S minus B, S minus C by S into S minus A. Tan B by 2 is equal to root over S minus A, S minus C by S into S minus B. Tan C by 2 is equal to root over S minus A, S minus B by S into S minus C. Cot A by 2 is equal to root over S into S minus A by S minus B, S minus C. Cot B by 2 is equal to root over S into S minus B by S minus A, S minus C. Cot C by 2 is equal to root over S into S minus C by S minus A, S minus B. From these formulas, we can solve the problems. So, dear students, here we have to solve the problems. Exercise 10A, Telling Academy, properties of triangles. First section, first problem. First section, first problem. What is first problem? Show that sigma a of sin b minus sin c equal to 0. So given that sigma a into sin b minus sin c equal to 0. Here we have sine rule. A by sin A is equal to B by sin B is equal to C by sin C. But what is sin B? Sin B is equal to 2R. So what is sin B? Sin B is equal to B by 2R. Sin B is equal to, from this, sin B is equal to B by 2R, and sin C is equal to C by 2R, and sin A is equal to sin B is equal to B by sin A is equal to A by 2R. So you have to substitute sigma A of this is B by 2R minus C by 2R. This implies sigma 1 by 2R common, sigma A of B minus C. Here 1 by 2R of sigma A of B minus C means A of B minus C plus B of C minus A plus C of A minus B. So 1 by 2R of this is AB minus AC plus BC minus AB plus AC minus BC. Okay, all of you. That's why minus AB plus AB cancel, plus AC minus AC cancel, plus BC minus BC cancel. So 1 by 2R into 0 is equal to 0. Therefore, what we can written as? Therefore, sigma A of sin B minus sin C is equal to 0. That's all. Now we go for second problem. What is second problem? If A is equal to root 3 plus 1 centimeter, angle B is equal to 30 degrees, angle C is equal to 45 degrees, then find C, small c. Small c is the side of the triangle ABC. We have given second problem solution. Write what given here. Given A is equal to root 3 plus 1 and angle B is equal to 30 degrees, angle C is equal to 45 degrees. So in triangle, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. So angle A plus what is angle B here? 30 degrees. But what is angle C here given? 45 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Angle A is equal to angle A plus 75 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Angle A is equal to 180 degrees minus 75 degrees is equal to 105 degrees. Okay, all of you. But here we have given the small a, side A. So we want to find here C value. So you write sine rule A by sine A by sine A is equal to, we know, C by sine C. We want here C value, side C value. So C is equal to what? A into sine C by here sine A. So what is A here? What is A here? Root 3 plus 1 into what is sine C? What is C value? C angle 45 degrees. So sin 45 degrees by sin A. Angle A is equal to 105 degrees. Sin 105 degrees. So this value, this is equal to root 3 plus 1 into 1 by root 2 by sin 105 degrees value root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 sin 105 degrees root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 sin 105 degrees is equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. We know this formula, this value. So what is C is equal to? Here C is equal to, you observe here numerator root 3 plus 1, here numerator root 3 plus 1 cancel. So what is remaining? 1 by root 2 into 2 root 2 by 1. Root 2 cancel is 2. Therefore C is equal to what? 2. Now we go for third problem. Solution, third problem. Given here in third problem, you see all of you, if A is equal to 2 centimeters, B is equal to 3 centimeters, C is equal to 4 centimeters, then find cos A. So here given A is equal to 2 centimeters and B is equal to 3 centimeters and C is equal to 4 centimeters. Then we want to find cos A. Cos A is equal to how much? These are the given. So we know the formula, that is cos A. Cos rule, cos A is equal to, what is that? B square plus C square minus A square by 2BC. Just this is the application method. What is B here? B is 3 square. What is C here? This is 4 square. Minus what is A here? 2 square. This is A is equal to 2. 2 square is there. So by 2 into B 3 into C 4. So is equal to 3 square is 9 plus 4 square is 16 minus 4. 2 square is 4. 2 into 3 6. 6 into 4 24 equal to 25 minus 4 by 24. So cos A is equal to what here? 24 minus 4 is 21 by 24. So this is the cos A value. Okay, all of you. That's it. Dear students, here fourth problem. A is equal to 26 centimeters, B is equal to 30 centimeters and cos C is equal to 63 by 65. Then find C. So solution, we have given A is equal to 26 centimeters, B is equal to 30 centimeters and cos C is equal to 63 by 65 is given. We have to find C value. So what is C value? By cosine rule, C square is equal to what? A square plus B square minus 2AB cos C. So you have to substitute the values here. A square 26 whole square, B square, this is 30 whole square, minus 2 into 26 into 30 into, what is cos C value? 63 by 65. So here 63 by 65. You observe here 13 5 is 65, 13 2 is 26. So and also 5 1 is 5 6. Okay, all of you. So what can be written as here? C square is equal to, this 26 can be written as 30 minus 4 whole square plus this is 30 square minus 2 2 ja 4 4 6 ja 24 into 63 here. So you observe here, this is in the form of a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square is equal to what? A square plus b square minus 2ab. So this is the algebraic formula. So by c square is equal to 30 square plus 4 square minus 2 into 30 into 4 minus 24 into 63 plus 130 is there. So plus 30 square is there minus 24 into 63. You observe here, what is the value of 24 into 63? So 63 into 24, 4 3 ja 12, 1, 4 6 ja 24 plus 1, 25. Okay, all of you. And 2 3 ja 6, 2 6 ja 12, 2 6 ja 12. So this one 2 11 1 5 1 15 12. So this value 15 12. This is implies c square is equal to 30 square is 900 plus 16 minus 2 2 4 ja 8 8 3 ja 32 322 sorry 8 3 ja 24 240 plus 900 minus 15 12. Okay, all of you. Here 240 is there. 2 5 7 1 1752. C square is equal to 900 plus 900 1800 plus 16 minus 1752. C square is equal to, you observe here, c square is equal to, this is implies c square is equal to 869 minus 1752. 1752. What we will get here? This is 64. So 64. You observe here, 6 minus 2, 4, 11 minus 5, 6. So c square is equal to 64 implies c square is equal to 8 square, c is equal to 8. So c is equal to what? 8 is there.